That's pretty windy. Yeah, from the trunk.
Yeah, from the trunk.
I like it, man. And it looks like you got some good scores.
Oh yeah, I got a whole garage full of trunk.
Oh yeah. I like your little cooling fan system there too.
Oh yeah, they're on a thermostat.
That's pretty cool.
So there's a thermostat behind my seat.
It'll turn on when
it'll turn on when it get over 100 degrees.
And this is a long port. Wow.
Yes. Yeah, it's tuned at 3141 and peaks at 35.
Okay. Nice. All right. Yeah, man, I would love to hear it.
Definitely.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. How you doing?
Hi.
You told me I can do some video.
Of course.
Wow, it's nice and cool in here.
Right?
It's like 40.
We're working on a thing, Jacob.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
I don't know how you're doing it. I don't know how you're doing
Well, if I only do it twice a year, or a few times a year, I just deal with it.
Right.
Some vehicles I get in are like miserable.
Yeah, there you go.
Put some lights on for you.
Are you
Looks
coming
good.
tomorrow too?
Yeah, I'll be here all week.
Awesome. We'll see you tomorrow too.
Yeah. Nice. That looks good.
Thank you.
Can I see you in the back too?
Yeah.
There you go. I remember the box steps.
Yeah. It's running different.
And this still slid in?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's sealed off from the trunk.
That's a lot of work. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice job.
I changed subs though.
Okay.
So it's a double back plate now. This is just for extra support.
Yeah.
But it's Genius Audio Vulcan 12s now. 3K
Okay.
RMS with these.
Okay. Nice. I don't want to kick you out, but he's about to give me a demo.
Okay. No. Here. Just make yourself like, pick anything out of your
What's going on, man? This was nice.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
That's a lot of work to get this like this. It looks good. Nice
Yeah.
layout. And I'm sure you're happy with everything with it so far?
Yeah, I'm thinking about switching amps. I want cleaner sound. So I'm thinking about switching everything over to JP.
Okay.
Get rid of the mono setup that I have, go stereo. But for now, she's been doing 151 in the lanes, geeking out, so I'm happy with it. For what I'm doing, it was a Frankenstein build to begin with, and it started turning numbers, so I'm really, really happy with it.
Yes, sir. So these are the Genius Audio Vulcan VT 6000 watt max 3K RMS?
Yes.
Nice.
They're seeing about, after a rise, I'm only seeing about 45.
Okay.
That's why I'm waiting for sell this 5K and switch to the new Smart Bass 8.
Got it. So your name and equipment, go ahead, man.
All right, name's Carlos, president of Team Hurst Cairns. I'm running everything Terra amps. I have 2 Smart 3s running on my 8s and my 6.5s. It's DS18 FU8s, DS18 CXI 6.5s. Running Timpano 4-inch tweeters on an MD 1800, MD 3K on the front doors, and the other MD 3Ks for the Chichetto on the roof box, which is put away right now, and then a MD 8K on the subs. running a DSR1 from Rockford Fosgate for my sound processor, and 2 lithium banks, 96 amp hour apiece, Spimo 8, with a 320 brand X alternator.
Yeah, I mean, I would love to hear it.
Definitely.
It's a pretty good peak frequency for a 4th order.
Oh yeah, 6th.
Or 6. Okay,
Yeah,
because
there's 2 ports in the corners.
It's just hard to see them. Yeah.
There's 2 ports on the bottom left and right bottom.
That's right, because of the actual length. Are those arrow ports still? Or
PVC.
PVCs, 3-inch, 4?
I think they're 3-inch or 4-inch. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I see them a little bit in the corner. Yep, you can see them in there. Nice.
Finally charged up my lithium, thank God.
All right. 90. Yeah, from the trunk.
Yeah, from the trunk.
I like it, man.
Thank you.
And it looks like you got some good scores.
Oh yeah, I got a whole garage full of trucks.
Oh, yeah.
Engine piling up.
Yeah. Nice to meet you again, man.
Yeah, pleasure, Jacob.
Have a good
Nice
day.
seeing you again, my brother.
You too.